Hey, Daniel. You look nervous today. What's going on?
Hey, Lisa. Yeah, I am nervous. Very nervous.
Tell me, what's bothering you?
It's about English. I want to speak English, but I'm so afraid.
Afraid? Afraid of what?
Afraid of making mistakes. Afraid people will laugh at me.
Oh, Daniel, I understand that feeling so well.
You do?
Of course. Everyone feels this way at first, even me.
Really? But you speak English so well now.
Now, yes. But 5 years ago, I was just like you.
You were afraid too?
Terrified. My hands would shake. My voice would shake. Everything shook.
That's exactly how I feel.
So today, let's talk about this fear. And more importantly, let's talk about how to overcome it.
I really need that advice.
Okay, first question, why do you want to speak English?
I want to speak English because I want better opportunities.
Like what?
Better job, travel to other countries, make international friends.
Those are great reasons.
But every time I try to speak, I freeze.
You freeze.
Yes, my mind goes blank. I forget all the words I know.
That's very common, Daniel. Let me ask you something.
What?
When you think about speaking English, what exactly scares you?
I'm scared people will think I'm stupid.
Because of grammar mistakes?
Yes, my grammar is not perfect. My pronunciation is not perfect.
And?
And I think people will judge me.
Okay, here's the truth, Daniel. Ready?
Ready?
Most people don't care about your mistakes.
They don't?
No, they really don't. They just want to understand you.
Really?
Yes. Think about it. When someone speaks your language with an accent, do you laugh at them?
No. I try to help them.
Exactly. Most people are like you. They want to help, not hurt.
I never thought about it that way.
The people who laugh? They're the minority. Very small minority.
But what if I meet those people?
Then ignore them. Their opinion doesn't matter.
That's easier said than done.
I know. But listen, let me tell you a story.
Okay, I'm listening.
2 years ago, I was in a coffee shop. I ordered a drink in English.
And?
I said, I want a coffee with a milk.
With a milk.
Yes. The grammar was wrong. It should be with milk, not with a milk.
Did the person laugh?
The barista smiled a little. But you know what he said?
What?
He said, sure. One coffee with milk coming up. Then he gave me my coffee.
So he understood you.
Perfectly. My grammar was wrong, but communication was successful.
That's a good story.
And that's the point, Daniel. Communication is more important than perfection.
Communication over perfection.
Exactly. Say that again.
Communication is more important than perfection.
Beautiful. Now let's practice some sentences. Everyone listening, repeat after us.
I am afraid to speak English.
But I will try anyway.
Mistakes are okay.
Communication is more important than perfection.
I will be brave today.
Excellent. Let's continue our conversation.
Lisa, you said you were also afraid before. How did you overcome that fear?
I used 3 strategies, 3 simple strategies.
Tell me, I need to know.
Okay. Strategy number 1. I changed my mindset.
Changed your mindset. How?
I stopped thinking I must be perfect. Instead, I started thinking I just need to be understood.
That's a big difference.
Huge difference. When I focused on communication, not perfection, I felt free.
Free?
Yes, free to make mistakes, free to learn, free to improve.
That's a big difference.
Huge difference. When I focused on communication, not perfection, I felt free.
Free?
Yes, free to make mistakes, free to learn, free to improve.
Huh. I like that feeling. Freedom.
Strategy number 2. I started small.
Small. What do you mean?
I didn't start by giving speeches. I started with very simple conversations,
Like what?
like ordering food, asking for directions, simple things.
And that helped?
So much. Each small success built my confidence.
Small successes.
Yes. First, I ordered coffee successfully. That was a win. Then I asked for directions successfully. Another win.
And the wins kept adding up?
Exactly. You're getting it.
What's strategy number 3?
Strategy number 3. I found safe spaces to practice.
Safe spaces?
Yes, places where I knew people wouldn't judge me.
Like where?
Like language exchange groups, online practice partners, supportive friends.
Not random strangers on the street?
Not at first. First, I practiced in safe environments. Then, when I felt more confident, I practiced everywhere.
That makes sense. Build confidence first.
Exactly. You don't learn to swim by jumping into the ocean, right?
Right. You start in a pool.
Perfect analogy.
Lisa, I have another question.
Go ahead.
What if I don't know the right word? What should I do?
Great question. This happens to everyone.
Even to you?
Even to me. Even now.
So, what do you do?
I use simple words to explain. Let me give you an example.
Please.
Let's say you forget the word refrigerator.
Okay.
You can say the big box that keeps food cold.
Oh, that works.
Of course it works. People will understand.
What if I forget how to say, spoon?
Say, the thing I use to eat soup.
That's clever.
See? There's always a way to communicate.
I never thought about that.
Most important thing, don't stop talking just because you don't know one word.
Keep talking. Find another way.
Exactly. Let's practice more sentences. Repeat after us, everyone.
I changed my mindset.
I started with small conversations.
I practiced in safe spaces.
I don't need to be perfect.
I just need to communicate.
Wonderful practice. Now, Daniel, let me ask you something.
What?
What's the worst thing that can happen if you make a mistake?
People might laugh,
Okay, and then what?
and then, I guess nothing?
Exactly. The world doesn't end.
True.
You know what's actually worse than making mistakes?
What?
Never trying at all.
Never trying.
If you never try, you never improve. You stay in the same place forever.
That's sad.
Very sad. But if you try and make mistakes, you learn, you grow, you become better.
Mistakes help me grow.
Yes, mistakes are your teachers, not your enemies.
I like that. Mistakes are teachers.
Daniel, I want you to do something for me.
What?
I want you to make a promise to yourself.
A promise?
Yes, promise yourself, I will speak English today, even if I make mistakes, even if I feel scared.
I will speak English today. Even if I make mistakes, even if I feel scared.
How do you feel saying that?
I feel strong.
Yes, that's the feeling.
I actually feel excited now.
That's because you made a decision. Decision creates power.
Lisa, can I ask one more question?
Of course.
How do I start? Like, right now, today. What should I do first?
Excellent question. Here's your action plan.
I'm ready.
Step 1. Find one person to talk to today.
Just one person.
Just one. Could be a classmate, a shopkeeper, a friend, anyone.
Okay, one person.
Step 2. Prepare one simple sentence before you speak.
Like what?
Like, hello, how are you today? Or, can you help me? Simple.
That's not scary.
Exactly. Not scary at all.
What's step 3?
Step 3. Say your sentence. Don't think too much. Just say it.
Just say it.
Yes, 3 seconds of courage. That's all you need.
3 seconds of courage.
And step 4. Celebrate. After you speak, celebrate your victory.
Victory.
Yes, you faced your fear. That's a victory.
I can do this.
Of course you can. I believe in you.
Thank you, Lisa. This conversation really helped me.
I'm so happy to hear that. Remember, Daniel,
Yes?
every expert was once a beginner. Every confident speaker was once afraid.
Every expert was once a beginner.
The only difference? They didn't let fear stop them.
And I won't let fear stop me either.
That's the spirit. Now, let's review important words from today.
Word number 1. Afraid. Meaning, feeling fear or worry. Example, I was afraid to speak English, but I tried anyway.
Word number 2. Overcome, meaning to successfully deal with a problem. Example, I overcame my fear by practicing every day.
Word number 3. Judge.
meaning to form an opinion about someone. Example, don't worry, people won't judge you.
Word number 4. Confidence. Meaning, belief in yourself and your abilities. Example, small successes built my confidence.
Word number 5, strategy, meaning a plan to achieve a goal. Example, I used 3 strategies to improve my speaking.
Word number 6. Communicate. Meaning, to share information or feelings. Example, the goal is to communicate, not to be perfect.
Now, useful phrases from today's conversation.
Phrase number 1. My mind goes blank. Use this when you can't think clearly. Example, when I'm nervous, my mind goes blank.
Phrase number 2. Easier said than done. Use this when something sounds simple but is actually difficult. Example, ignoring criticism is easier said than done.
Phrase number 3. Build confidence. Meaning, to gradually become more confident. Example, practice helps build confidence.
Phrase number 4. 3 seconds of courage. Meaning, a brief moment of bravery. Example, all you need is 3 seconds of courage to start.
Now, let's practice. Answer these questions. Speak out loud.
Question 1. What are you afraid of when speaking English?
Question 2. What is one small conversation you can try today?
Question 3. Who can you practice English with this week?
Question 4. What will you say to yourself when you feel afraid?
Great job, everyone.
Daniel, thank you for being so honest today about your fears.
Thank you for helping me see things differently.
Remember, everyone watching, fear is normal. Every single person who speaks English well was once afraid.
The difference is they didn't give up.
Exactly. They tried. They made mistakes. They learned. They improved.
And now it's your turn.
Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now.
Don't wait to be perfect. Start imperfect and improve along the way.
Beautiful words, Daniel.
I learned from the best.
In our next video, we'll share practical exercises to practice speaking alone.
Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button,
Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next lesson.
and most importantly, speak English today, even just one sentence.
One sentence is better than no sentences.
You can do this. We believe in you.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, and don't be afraid.
Goodbye, everyone. Be brave.